In family words. En says en. E says a. N says na. En. B says ba. En. Ben. D says da. En. Den. S says ha. En. Hen. K says ka. En. Ken. M says ma. En. Men. P says pa. En. Pen. T says ta. En. Ten. Z says za. En. Zen. WH says wa. En. When. WR says ra. En. Rain. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching my video.